If you got back pain, this quick and effective yoga class is for you. In just 10 minutes, we'll move through a sequence that relieves you of lower back pain with stretching and strengthening exercises. Let's begin with a seated cat-cow. As we inhale, we shine the chest forward. Exhale, round the back and tuck the chin. Again, inhale, shine the chest forward. Exhale, round the back. For each pose, I want you to breathe with intention. Now let's lay on your back. Hug the knees in and gently rock side to side to massage the lumbar spine. Pinpoint the exact location where it hurts and breathe into it. Let your back know it's okay to relax. Now if you want, you can circle the legs in and out. Reverse the direction. Lower the right leg to the ground and hug the other knee in for our wind relieving pose. This stretch may look simple, but it does wonders for your lower back. On another note, the stretch itself isn't what brings you the results. It's about how you approach it. For me, yoga is all about mindful movement, about stretching with the breath, because the breath is our most powerful tool, but we often take it for granted. So I want you to approach yoga with the same mindset, with the same ways of moving with the breath. Now let's switch sides. The other leg down and hug the right knee into your chest. Inhale through the nose and sigh it out. Again, inhale deep. Exhale with a sigh. Hug the knees in, then place both feet on the ground and windshield wipe the knees towards the left, then right. Again, inhale left, exhale right. For the next pose, we'll do a spinal twist. This one can be challenging for some, so I advise to listen to your body and carefully get into this pose. If you're ready, put the right arm in cactus position, take the right leg and bring it towards the left. Inhale, notice a radiant light cleansing the tension of your back. Exhale, release it. Keep visualizing this as you breathe. Let's switch sides. Other knee into the chest and gently twist towards the right while the left arm is in cactus position. Great job! Let's hug knees in for a quick rest. Now we'll do some strengthening to the back with glute bridges. Ground both feet and as you exhale, push the hips off the mat in a flowing motion. Inhale, roll back, one vertebrae at a time. Again, exhale, push up. Inhale, lower down. Keep going. Hold your glute bridge and clasp the hands under your back. Now lower down onto the ground and come into a reclined butterfly pose. Place your hands on the thighs and gently press away. Don't force it, keep it gentle and soft. Notice your spine decompress. Inhale and exhale with a sigh. You're done. You did amazing. Let's end this class in a seated position alongside the middle of your mat. Inhale, reach the arms up, and exhale, move it towards your heart. Thank yourself for showing up today, for your back, for your body, for your mind. And once you're filled with gratitude, bow down. Namaste. Want to see more of my yoga and Pilates classes? Then subscribe to my channel and like this video so it finds other people who deal with back pain.